This chat Jamaican,
Yes, sir.
and upon reviewing a cave, I get to realize that you also live in a cave
Yes, sir.
since 1988.
Yes, sir.
So you want to share your story with me?
I want to say, I get in a little trouble. Sister, me can hardly tell you, you know. I hold pressure on me. And my disaster Philippines yesterday, but family.
Yeah, family.
Come back from jail and everybody against.
Yeah, pass it on.
Oh,
And I just say, you know, I'm going to fight over nobody for no land, I know. So I just, I want to in the sea and I ask him, say, which part you can't get some of it. And he say, boy, you want to go in our hills and build one hut and do some farming and them things, you see. So I'm not seeing no way out. You see, if nobody come on here and buy a couple of zinc and things and come here so and build up a thing. Get a hard time for the first, because people believe say me a rob and thief.
yes. You make me want to cry.
Yeah, so get a hard little time, the thing. But after that, everybody says, well, then, I do a thing for myself. So, nobody know it, you know. But every day, it pressure upon my mind. So I shouldn't live in a bush.
Yes. So you would need some help.
Yes, sir.
So what? Let me plead and see if they can do anything to help you.
Yeah.
What would you want the people to do to assist?
The most thing for me right now is somewhere to live.
You need somewhere to live. Oh, so who is responsible for this land around here? Oh,
Appleton Estate, so we shall not come and work out if you about 12 years.
oh, by Appleton.
Yes, yes. One gentleman come on there one time named Pat. You know, beside the tree, I think me what him go away.
Yes.
Go away and from that, and I get nobody again. Yeah. But
Oh, so maybe he wanted to help you.
yeah, one time, but you gone out of company, you know, and things.
It's a Pat
Yes,
come
a
up.
Pat
Oh.
come out.
Pat, come up.
Yeah,
Okay.
see. But from that, I just see on every day, I just feel lonely still, you know, but I just go and take a thing.
You take a thing.
Yeah, I just go and live up, you know. Just try to not trouble nobody and just go and live.
Okay, guys. So his story really touched me right now. I am crying, and this is where he's living. He's living in the Nassau Valley into one of the caves, and he has been here from 1988, and
Yes, sir.
and he has been having it very difficult so far since being here. So if there is anyone out there can reach out to Winston Williams to assist with his condition. Everybody from the nearby community, Thornton and so on, they call him Caveman, and he is in dire need of assistance. He would have wanted help with whatever assistance that you can, and now and then he will do a little farming, right?
Yes, yes.
Tell me some of the crops that you farm.
I plant young cocoa and potato and banana planting and them things there.
Oh, okay.
Yes, yes.
So he does farming.
And them things there.
Anything else you want to share?
No, that's the most things so now, you know. The most problem for me right now is just to move for us.
Just to get somewhere to stay. What are some of the challenges that you have staying here?
And right here, so now there is no water. You have to carry water from a very far.
No water.
No light.
No light, yeah.
See, Appleton Estate same with no light more time and no shut down.
Oh,
So
so now that they closed down, you don't have any light.
So now I have to work up some things. And right now, a lamp, I see we can work up there now.
Oh, to get a lamp.
Yes, yes.
No lamp,
Yes, yes.
So in the night, how you feel?
And then I tell the truth now, I feel lonely, you know, but you know, you can't really fight against that thing, you know, because a long time there, so you have to just go and
So you
live
just
up.
have to
And just
keep
pray
it.
to the Almighty to just go and live, you know.
Yes.
Yeah.
So that's how many years?
32 years.
32 years?
From about 88 months, man.
I find 88,
88, man.
78.
88.
88, 1988.
That's 32 years.
Yeah. Good time that.
So if anybody out there can assist, Winston Williams, we would truly appreciate it. Right? This.
Can't go in a Dixon to him, because my mother Dixon.
Oh.
Winston Dixon to say.
Oh, so he's not sure if the last name is Dixon or Williams.
Yes, sir.
But this is the condition right now. This is where he cooks.
If you want to, you go
Cooks
take
his
him
food,
and
and
pick up a
it's very challenging
I want nice
for
food.
him.
As much as you see to the right, you're right. Yes, madam.
Yes.
Yes.
So this is the condition, and trust me, he really want the help. And you know, we have some strong people out there that can be very supportive. While he started the story and started to cry, I started to cry as well, because it is just so touching, and it's really difficult to know that when he came back, he didn't get the opportunity to fit into society, and then it forced him. It made me cry now. And then it forced him now to be into a situation like this. And I know a lot of people out there, they don't even know that people in Jamaica are living in conditions like these. And then when others would say caveman, and they will call him caveman and all of that, they wouldn't have known his struggles or known anything that he's going through. Right? And you have heard him said it himself, that he is lonely most of the time, and there are cases where he cannot do better because it is just difficult for him. And if he cannot do better, this is what he'll have to do.
All the storm pass over here. All the storm.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
All the storm.
So all of the storms, everything.
That's the mercy of God.
Yes, the storm, everything. What I say a while ago about what?
That's the mercy of God keep me.
Alright, so he's saying that it's a mercy of God that kept him.
If you come in, man, if you come look if me dead and when them come, me still alive.
Well, we have to be hopeful and thankful. One holy for stampers, I not even remember what their name.
Ivan and Gilbert.
Ivan. Really? So when the storms pass, they blow away anything for you, or everything still stand up?
Almighty, just keep me on.
You build the little beanie hut yourself?
Yes. And it stand up, see how you.
And it's still standing.
Nothing come up. Just the mercy of God, just keep it.
So if there is any way you can help Mr. Williams, we would truly appreciate it, and see how best we can take him out of the difficult situation that he's in. Because it doesn't matter what happened, what somebody has been through. Persons have realized afterwards that he's a good person. But because he was shunned by family, after leaving prison, there is nothing else he could do. And while talking, guys, you can hear the tears in my voice. So there is nothing else that he could do at this moment than to isolate himself and move away into the valley itself, into a cave. And you have heard him, what you said about the water, it's difficult.
Difficult to carry water from very far.
Difficult to carry the water. And how you get food?
Food, you want to work for people.
Oh yes, so he can help himself working and so on. But his main concern right now is his living condition, and to get somewhere stable, somewhere with light, somewhere where he can be comforted, and somewhere where he can be loved. And he's very hardworking, and he didn't call this upon himself, but it doesn't matter what somebody has done or been through. In cases like these, especially during this time, we need to reach out to others and to show our love, our appreciation of life and self. And the terrain to get up here, this is what I had to walk through. And then you would have seen me coming through the cane piece in order to get up here. The cane field to get up here, but you don't even have a stable road. Where's the road that you walk from?
No, it's full of water, you know, so you have to walk that way where you see them.
Oh, so your road full of water. Oh, so you walk through here. But it's flooded now because of the rain. Yes.
When you're coming down right down there, so you're coming to another piece of water right down there.
And then look how far, I'm seeing some houses all the way over there. So it's far away from civilization. So anybody can help and assist. I'm appealing so that Sir Williams can get a little bit of comfort and a little bit of life and a little bit of hope and strength going forward. But this is the condition, and he is not pleased with the condition that he's in right now.
Yeah, just appeal to anyone who can help me, to give me some kind of help, you know. Financially or any kind of help at all.
And especially somewhere to live. So if it's even a one-room structure or so on, so that he can be comforted and have a little bit of space. Well, he said it could even be a half a room, and I agree with him, because now he's living in a quarter room. So if it's even a half a room, to give him a little bit of space so that he can be comforted. Right? Because now and then he will go to the community and they accept him. He live his normal life. You play domino with them and so on. Yes, I'm playing regular domino.
Buy a 2 liquors and drinks here.
Yes.
Share whatever I have with the community.
So whatever I'm having, go to the community and him share it, and him ensure that cut him cane and carry go out there and give it to the people.
So little kids and all them things they beg me no sky.
Yes, so anything at all the community members ask him for, trust me, put it on him head with him cutter and him bring it out and him carry it to the people. So it's not difficult.
Right up here going back there and cut them just to get all the money for just buy something for you.
Oh, so you would sell the stick?
Yes, yes.
So right now I'm appealing to anyone out there, if you can assist Mr. Williams, and he's not comfortable with his condition, and for over the years, you know, 1988 he has been here, since 1988. Wait there. Okay. So that means that 33 years. So that means that he has been around here for 32 years, going 33 years.
Right here, somewhere, right?
And you see the tears in the beginning, the tears, you know? So this is the Nassau Valley. And it is just surprising to know that Mr. Williams has been living in this condition for the past 33 years. Oh, so Mr. Pat from Appleton used to assist you. Come up. Oh, so he usually work for Mr. Pat come up at Appleton, but no, he's not there anymore. So things kind of take a downturn for him. Yeah, so he gave you a job so that you can provide for yourself. You want to come and show me some of your farming? I come here, try to come. Woo! I don't know how I come down, you know. Well, I'm gonna go through this again. What down where? Oh Lord, help me. I'm with the box cover. Wait, me end up here, so. Woo! Water up there? Why your feet? Look how you reach down here and me take forever to reach.
Yeah, I'm going right up to water there.
Come here, so.
Yeah, I'm going up to alone.
Come here.
But I have to cross over here.
Walk, come.
No, my walk here, so.
You can see water there, so.
If you can't skip over here, so.
You can sit right on the grass out there.
Miss step.
Yeah, man, where I come? Yeah, step with the heel, the wood balance.
What? Oh Lord! I'm end up stepping in the water. Well. Oh Lord!
You'll find that.
I don't know how you go through this, you know. So guys, that is where I'm coming from. In the hills. So that is where Mr. Williams live. Oh, where you see that ackee tree right there. And I made it safely on the ground. So right now, Mr. Winston Williams now is going to take me to show me some of his crops. Because he's a farmer. But sometimes his things don't get sale and so on. So what he does, he normally gives to the community. And the nearby community to the people. So what are they here? Yes, yes. Oh Lord. Is what kind of pear them there? Fine skin? Simon. Oh, Simon spear. Okay. So any of your family members come around this side? Oh, so you have a wonderful cousin, but you know they're nearby anymore. Him gone away. Okay. The breadfruit tree? Oh, and a bear. They have answered all of the breadfruit. Right then we roast. Your breadfruit tree grow nice, man.
This is his farm.
Okay, so this is Mr. Williams' farm. He has sorrel, corn, sweet potato, yam. Mr. Williams gone in the bush, guys. I can't even keep up. I can't even go through the bush. Yam, sweet potato,
Planted breadfruit tree since.
breadfruit tree since he has been around here for the 30-something years. And he has just been surviving, finding the best way possible to survive. So he has not been wasting time, but what he's doing is not bringing any financial gain to that. So most of the time he has to be giving away his crops to the people of the community. Wonderful gentleman. He's going to cut some cane for me, so I have to wait until he gets back. Down there is his farm too? Oh. So I'm plant pumpkin. What is cocoa? Cocoa, banana. I'm pushing some more new cane right there.
Yeah, that's what they call the cane seed.
Yeah, so you know some more cane so shoot up. So he's a very good farmer. Say pepper. Oh, I can get some of the pepper. Yeah. And then him looking.